We are on the set today with Rikki Stokes, who's given our actress some great tips on how to prepare herself better for her TV commercial.
Remember, you gotta look. You gotta look. You can't look disheveled or anything. Okay. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, how you look on camera is what we're gonna see. Okay? Remember, we have to go over and over the film to figure out, okay, what part would she be good for? Can she act? That's number one. But first thing that we see is how you look. Does that make sense? So what she's wearing is pretty cool, but she can't show this. Okay? So it has to be basically all covered up or in place of the character. If this works for her particular character, perfect. That's awesome. But since she's selling makeup, that's gonna be a no. Sorry, you know what I mean? So because L'Oreal is a high commercial, it's basically a high fashion, a high product of a commercial. And if they're selling to little girls like this, that tattoo is gonna throw her off. Does that make sense? So, and also the piercing. So they would automatically have you take that out. So that's just something that you would think of. Second one, when you slate, hi, I'm Rikki, and I'm with Molding Boutique in Minneapolis, whatever, right? And how old are you?
16.
Okay, since you are below 18, it is legal. You have to state your age legally. You have to, okay? So I'm 16 years old. Boom, nice and confident, boom. Usually I tell my actors to go ahead and bow your head, breathe, get into character, boom, right back at camera, into your character. Does that make sense? And into your script. If you're gonna do it in a model, which I loved, in your kind of your model mode, as far as saying your lines, then I would go ahead and take the right foot, step back, and sit into your hip. You know what I mean?
Your model stance, yeah.
Do everything this way as a model, and then also, you're free to go ahead and put your hand on your hip if you are saying your commercial as a model. Does that make sense? Which it would make sense because it is a commercial about makeup. Make sense? And who wears makeup? Models. Exactly. So get there. Does that make sense? Okay? So try it again. So name,